Welcome to another episode of Dear Parents. Today we are exploring how coding enhances children's learning across other subjects. We'll be focusing on mathematics and English. In math, coding offers practical applications that make learning engaging and relevant. For instance, kids can use coding to calculate the total cost of items, turning addition and multiplication into fun and real-world activity. By coding programs to draw shapes, children gain a better understanding of geometric concepts. And in English, coding platforms like Scratch enable kids to write and animate their stories, improving their narrative and dialogue skills. Coding simple games for spelling and grammar makes learning these essentials fun and interactive. Tune in next week for insights on science and social studies. Thank you.